Today we're making Doritos. This is how to cook part 3. Let's see if we can keep on going and everything. Mango. Alright. Okay, let me stop. Alright, I have to be quiet because my mom and dad are sleeping, so let's get this hurry. Got it. Alright, come on. Alright, so I already poured some vinegar in here. So after you put some vinegar, you get some salt. Oh god, okay, I put too much. Okay, so after that, gotta get the lemon juice. Okay, let's go. Okay, so there it is, sugar, water, mix. Like this. Alright, so you get some sugar. That tastes disgusting. What the fuck? Wait. That's it, yo. So I think sugar all over the damn sugar. I don't know if you can see it, but the sugar all over the damn floor. Like, look at my hair. Like, if you hear that, that's sugar, man. That's not. Look at that. Alright, so after you put all that, just gotta stir it. Alright. Okay. Let me stop. Okay. So after you do that, you're gonna get some eggs. Let's go. You wanna follow me? You can follow me. Eggs. It's right there, eggs. So delicious. Alright, let me get some eggs. Alright, let me just get one. Alright, I have to put the flow down. Hold up. Just one egg. You just need one egg. So, how can we do this? Oh, I know. Okay. Sugar, water, mix this. Alright, so after that, after you put the egg in there, you gotta put the whole egg in there. So juicy, so delicious. And then gotta stir it up. So my spoon's in a sink, so. So juicy. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, you make me so horny. Okay. So after you do that, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a cup. Wow. So you pour it all in there. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so. And then after that, you could just wash it or something. It looked like somebody had a seizure and then spit it all out. Alright, let me stop. What is that? Alright. So, and then all you gotta do is put this in the microwave. So, yeah. You put about 1 milk. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, so after that is ready, you get out from there. Still look like that. Now all you gotta do is put it in the oven and we good. We good money. Oh wait. We don't have to, you know why? Pow. Oh